Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen of my point and click community. I run into a problem with my router. Basically, I upgraded the firmware, and after the firmware upgrade, I was unable to access some of my shares on the network attached storage to it. This is not much point and click, so you maybe want to just stop within the video when we have to type some stuff. So let's get started and fix that problem. So after logging in, we go to our USB application and to my server center. And to our network places. So a while back, I created a account called YouTube, gave it access to some network shares, and it's only a temporary account. Somehow it moved into the top place. The top place is basically your login account, your major account there. You can't delete it or anything. So I can't delete this YouTube account. I have to make sure my account, what's down here, moves back up. And to accomplish this, we have to go in via command line, or I download a small software because we are the point and click community and I want to make it as easy as possible for you guys. So let's download the software and then we got to type something in there. So to find out what's all causing that, before we download the software, I looked in the system log and I found the following entry in here. So you can see here. And that's causing the problem. Basically a corruption of the smbpasswd database. So let's download the software. You will find the link in the description below. So we gotta download this real quick. And you gotta install it. Show in the folder. So now going back to our router, next thing we have to do, go to administration, go to your system, and enable SSH. And I enable it on the LAN only. And we hit apply. Now that we have this accomplished, we open the software. All we have to do is put our router address in. Yours will be maybe different than mine. I have multiple routers in here for demonstrations and testing. And I know we are point and click community. We don't know what are we doing here. We don't need that. And let's log into our router. And we accept that. And then we log in with our password, what we use to log into our router. Now let's enter the following command to see what the HTTP password, my login password, looks like. Now this don't tell us a lot. The only thing it tells me now that it is encrypted. Next, we type in the following command to move my account back to the top position, basically our login account to the router, move it back in the top position, make it the main account again. And all we have to do is put that little command in it. It will copy it over and we are good to go. So let's type in this command, hit enter, and a router will reboot and our main account will move to the top again and everything should work as it used to be. So let's have a look. Let's log on to our router. We go to our USB application, server center, and our network places. And yes, it moved the account back up. Everything seems to be normal now. I'm just gonna see, it should have access to all our folder, for read and write access to all the folders because it's our main account. That's it for today. I know it was almost a little too much for a click and point community, but please give this video a like, hit the subscribe button and the bell, and I see you the next time.